Welcome, today I'm showing how to change icon shape into XIAOMI 12T Pro. First of all, open our Play Store and find here X icon changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. Now need close ads, and now from the list choose your application what you wanna change. Maybe YouTube will be nice. Now from the library choose new icon for this application, maybe this one. And now for saving this icon need to tap OK button in the top right corner. And here we got message, please go to the system settings to open shortcuts permissions. Tap OK. Here choose other permission and tap to home screen shortcuts. Tap and choose always allow. Now click back and back one more time. And let's try again. Tap to OK button. Wait a second for generating. Sometimes need close ads maybe a few times, so need to wait. And one more time close ads. And now we got success message. Go to our home screen and find here our new YouTube icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.